I am doing I guess what I'm calling an Instacart test run. Let me turn turn that heater down. Oof, that was loud. All right, I'm headed out into this winter wonderland here. Haven't been out yet since the storm yesterday. I really need to work today, but I don't know. The biggest problem with doing Instacart today are the roads. How well are they plowed? So far, not that great. And also, my customers, are they going to have plowed driveways, shoveled walkways? Oh, thank you. Look at that. Thank you, car. Sometimes that beeping about our seatbelts can be annoying, but thank you. That was good. Good. All right, there's a lot of snow out here. Can you tell I'm nervous? All right. How's the stopping? Oh, gosh. I don't know if I want to do this, guys. All right, well, I'm committed now because I already took the batch. I'm just going to go real slow, but I don't think I'm going to do batches today. I need to get to Walmart to buy, I think that's my neighbor. Oh, yeah, driving is real slow. Alrighty. Okay, well, this is the secondary road. I don't know how the main road will be. I'm not a big fan of driving in this stuff, guys. I think I will do this batch, and hopefully the main road to Walmart, oh gosh, will be clear so I can go. I need some packing. I need a box. I sold some things. It's great. I listed a lot of things on eBay yesterday. Being home gave me the opportunity to do that. And fortunately, I sold 3 things. So, in fact, just now when I started this tape rolling, this video, it popped up eBay that I made another sale. I'm not sure what it was yet, but everything is, I think, $10-20, but it all adds up. So, all right, this road is not very good. I should have driven first before I took the batch. Well, fortunately, I just need to get to the grocery store, and then the order is only 4 items, and it's only going 0.9 miles, so under a mile. I think I know the customer that it is, and I think they have a short driveway, so that's fine. I should be able to just park in the street for a second and run the groceries up. I won't be doing any more today. The roads aren't good enough. No, very slippery. I'm going 20 miles an hour, and that's just fine with me. So far, there's nobody behind me. I hate when people get behind you and want to go really fast. I oftentimes just pull over, let them go by me. Just taking you guys on a ride. I have the earbuds in again because Joe said, and I think he's right, I haven't listened to my video back, but he commented on the other video the other day when I had the earbuds in the car, and he said that the sound quality was better, which I guess makes sense. The only thing that I always think about is this banging on anything, the microphone. All right, I like to drop it down before I hit the brakes. I gotta try to stop right here. Don't. Okay, we're good. I always want to stop as much as I can before I get to the intersection because you don't know how much ice is underneath, how slippery it is. And I've seen so many people slide out into an intersection. All right, I'm on a main road now, and it looks pretty good. I just passed a sander, I think, and so this main road looks pretty good. I don't know what. Looks like somebody dropped a whole bunch of grass, turf or something. It's weird. Anyway, this road looks okay. So I might be able to get to Walmart without any problem. My goal right now is to get to Hannaford's and shop this batch quickly and just get this done and over with. Do you guys feel like hanging around? That's great, because I'm just going to talk to you while I drive. So I'm going about just under 35. It feels like a comfortable speed right now. Still some snow on the road. Oh, am I in? Yeah, I'm in drive. Yeah, I like to drop the car. It's an automatic, but I like to drop it down a gear before hitting the brakes in the snow. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that is how I've been driving since day one, to slow myself down before hitting the brakes, because hitting the brakes, often you slide. It's very slushy and slippery right now. And there's a plow truck wanting to back out. No, he's going forward. Guy walking. Yeah, it's pretty from inside or walking around your yard, but this is the part I don't like, is driving in it. What's the weather like where you guys are today? I spoke with, I saw a message from Bonnie. I saw your message, Bonnie. I didn't respond yet. This is a very sharp corner. And the weather in her area, I guess, is not like this, which is a good thing. It was nice to hear from you, Bonnie. Yeah. Okay, buddy, you just stay right there. Alrighty. Yeah, this is a little slushy here. Going over a bridge, and somebody pointed out to me many years ago, and I really appreciate it, is that the bridge, I think it was Joe that told me actually, going over bridges, I never really thought about it, but they obviously, they can be slippery. Oh, this is a yucky intersection right now. Okay. Oh, little bit of a slide. Hold on here. Okay. Very slippery. Kept it under control. Guy behind me didn't. Oh, that truck is sliding in front of me. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we're going to do this order and drop it off, and I'm going to try to stick. I mean, this is a main road, so gosh, I wish I didn't have to go to Walmart today. And then I got to go back out to the post office to mail these things. I really want to get them in the mail today, because one of the items sold on late Saturday. And obviously there's no mail delivery on Sundays, so today's Monday. If I don't get it in the mail today, I'd like to get my things on eBay shipped out really quickly. Well, a bit of anxiety right now. Just tell myself to stay calm, make sure that person's slowing down behind. We haven't had a lot of snow like this in a while. We used to get it frequently. I mean, we've had years where it would just snow, a foot of snow every Wednesday. That literally happened. Oh my gosh, I think that was 2013, something like that. And it just almost like every Wednesday snowed, and it was a good amount of snow. All right. That guy has about 2 feet of snow on his van, top of it. It's always bad when people don't clear off the top of their vehicle because it blows off and causes danger behind. Sometimes that stuff freezes up too, and it's like a sheet of ice just slamming back at the car behind you, or people walking. Slow down, Johnny, slow down. Get into this parking lot. Hey guys, the Hannafords, we don't usually have this much parking available. I am definitely just doing this one order and calling it a day. You know what? It's starting to snow again too. I wonder how much we're supposed to get today. Well, I usually park way back here, but I'm going to take the luxury and going up here. Yeah, I don't even know where the parking spaces are. Let's go here. All right, I'm going to run in through this order. I almost feel crazy being out doing Instacart. What was I thinking? Okay, that literally took me 6.5 minutes to shop. There is nobody in the store, which makes sense. Why I'm out here, but as it turns out, this is I'm actually glad I took the order. It's going to an older woman, and she's a regular customer of mine, so I'm glad I took it. Go slow, getting to her house. It is bad, and I just heard, because it's snowing again, and inside the store, the ladies were just telling me that we are getting another. You know what I think? These snow mountains are really, really large. I think I'm going to take the left over here. Shoot. It's very slippery. The snow mounds are really large and I have to take a left. Where are you going, buddy? Okie dokie. Anyway, I'm glad I took the order. She's a really nice lady and she's a regular customer. Her cat needed cat food. These snow mounds, I don't think you can see them, but very large. Very large. Can't see the traffic too good here. Alright, let's inch my way up. And I don't want to pull out in front of anybody because I don't want to make them have to slam their brakes on. We are good to go, guys. Alright, so anyway, I guess we're getting another 2 to 5 inches. Yay! Yes. Yeah, I'm just... What time is it? I'm going to deliver this, and then I think I'm going to try to go to Walmart to get my packing supplies, then get home, package up my eBay, and then... I don't know. I might see if Joe will drive me back to the post office. I don't want to come back out on these roads. I'm such a wimp. I'm such a wimp. Alright guys, I'm going to go deliver this. Actually, hang with me for a minute. I want to see what this driveway looks like. I know she doesn't have a large driveway. Just want to know what it looks like. I don't know if I can even pull in her driveway, if I'm going to have to park on the side of the road. Let's see. Slow down, Joni. Slow it down, lady. Got a red light coming up. I just want to make sure nobody else is sliding through intersections, you know. Not just my driving. Alright, I can turn right on red, but let's just be sure. Oh, we got a green. Vehicle stopping. Make sure I don't slide here. Let's drop it down. Oh, okay. Very slippery. Okay. It's very bright out. Very bright out. Oh, dog running around. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Hold on a second. All right, I'm going to shut this off. So I got to see what I'm doing here. All right. Am I on the right street? I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Yeah, it's not looking too good down here. All right. Well, her driveway. I got to do a 3-point turn here. Hope I don't make people mad. All right. Let's see what we can do here. It's a one-way road, and I couldn't get over there. Oh boy, guys, what am I doing? I'm gonna have to use this driveway. I hope these people don't get mad at me. Oh gosh, why? Oh, why did I come out in this? What a dummy! All right, just stay calm. And now I got somebody else coming down the road. No, okay. Well, this is not happening. Oh shoot. Okay, I can, okay, thanks. Sure, he's telling me to go. These people want me to go, but I want to go right here. I'm trying to go here, guys. Oh, jeez. Oh, hold on, I'll be back. All right, guys. Trying to stay out of the way. Trucks. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, yeah. I mean, actually. Well, there's a ton of batches right now, but yeah, no, it's not worth doing Instacart today. I'm glad I did that batch. It's a very nice customer seatbelt. Okay, good. Good. All right, I'm gonna take the long way to Walmart. There's a short way to go, but it's very windy, and I'm sure it's not going to be plowed very well. So I'm going to take the long way, which is staying on the main roads, to, oh, shoot, I don't know, like slip sliding. When I was young, it was fun, but it's not fun anymore. Back on the main drag. As if I just take it slow, get to Wally World. I would hate to go home and not ship those things out today. I really, really want to get them shipped out. I guess people would understand, you know. But, oh my gosh, the guy behind me has like 2 feet of snow on the top of his car too. I don't know. I'm not going to judge it, but I just don't understand why people don't realize they got to clear that off. Maybe it's an older person, I don't know. But, alright. I'm just being bitchy, aren't I? Can I say bitchy on YouTube? I don't know. Alright, hang on. Hang on, we got to make a turn here. Alright, they're stopping. Race coming. It's kind of a wide, messy turn here. Alright. Good. Oh, shoot, mama. There's a body of water right there, too. Yeah, it's very slippery, guys. I don't know why it's so slippery. What do I mean? I don't know why it's so slippery. It's snow, you idiot. I don't know. I want to go home, I think. Oh, God. I'm okay. Just gonna keep it really slow. Just really slow. Slow and steady as we go. Oh, you know what? I have to do. I'm gonna have to stop at Hannaford's on my way back, or a grocery store, because I forgot. I need my groceries still too. I mean, there isn't a lot that I need. Well, you know what? Maybe I'll just grab the milk at Walmart. I'll grab the milk at Walmart because that's the only thing we really need. Okay. I'm alright. Let's see. What time is it? Oh, 2. Oh. Guess what? Not quite 2. Just take it nice and slow. There's nobody behind me, so. You know. Well, I guess we're going to be able to see if there's a difference having the headphones on, the microphone on, versus not, because I don't have them on now, so we'll see what that quality is like. I am thirsty though. Whoa. This stuff is slushy but slippery. My feet are cold. Thanks for hanging out with me if you guys are still here. I think if I wasn't talking to you, I'd be more nervous right now. I don't know why. Oh, my car's sliding. You just can't be in a hurry on a day like today, you know, with the roads the way they are. You gotta take it slow. Give yourself plenty of time before leaving. People are out shoveling, walking near the road, lady. Yep. Okay. Big snowball on the road. Try to get back over here. Oh, these roads are bad. I did not think this road would be that bad. It's very slippery. Oh, good Lord. I don't have too much further to go. Funny, that side of the road looks better, so maybe they just plowed that over there. I don't know. This side's hey, cats. Riding along in my automobile. It's pretty. Pay attention, Johnny. Pay attention. see the light for Walmart right here. Slippery. There's a lot of homeless people that live in their cars up here. They were warm enough last night. Tonight, today. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Wow, not shoveled out very well. Been homeless myself a couple times. It's not pleasant. I'm always grateful. Always grateful for what I have. Wow, what a terrible. Oh my goodness, this is not plowed. Well, I'm not going to say not at all, but wow, it's like they. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh my goodness, I don't even. You wouldn't believe this. Holy cow! Shoot, I don't want to get stuck. All right, go through. Like maybe. Wow, you should see this. I don't see the car that's usually here, homeless. One of them that's usually always here. I don't see his truck. Well, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Alright, I gotta park this. I don't know if I'm in a parking spot, and you know what? I'm not even gonna worry about it. The only thing I am gonna worry about is I'm gonna back up a little bit. I think I'm a little too far. Okay, yeah, let's go in and get our packing supplies, guys. Okay. Alright, I'll be right back when I get home. This is the parking lot at Walmart. This is the road. You can't really tell, but this is the. See? This is the road here. Not plowed out at all.